Hi, my name is Sang. Welcome to Sang's Secret. Today I'd like to talk to you about dry, itchy skin, eczema, dermatitis, and how to best use our product and which product to use and how to go about. With all these conditions, of course, the skin is very uncomfortable, dry, itchy, sometimes a little bit painful, and very inflamed. So our balm, the unique point about it is it's able to penetrate down many layers of the skin and lock in the moisture, at the same time deliver product ingredients that are able to assist in the healing of the skin and reduce the inflammation. Now there is 4 balm in our collection. The recovery balm being our hero product, and this is the full strength. That product, if your condition is on the face, I would highly recommend that's what you would use continuously, because it's also an anti-aging product and also help to clear blemishes and so on. Now if your condition is all over the body and it's a big area, and if the condition is not so severe, use the SOS balm and use the recovery balm on the area that's actually need a little bit more attention. If the area is quite severe over the body, start off with the recovery balm. As soon as the area subsides, you then could go to the SOS balm. Then after a while, you can move down even to the lavender and to vitamin E and only use recovery balm on area that really needed it. Now once the condition is under control, do not to stop using any kind of moisturizer on the skin, because the condition, how it started on the first place, is that it's through the damage of the stratum corneum, which is the outer layer of the skin. When that is like the wall, protective wall for our inner skin to our outer environment, and when it left too dry, it then crack. When it crack, it actually lose moisture, and when that happened, when the stratum corneum is not healthy, the skin is not functioning properly, and that's where your problems start in the first place. So please keep in mind that it is something that you would want to be keep your eye on. Once the condition is under control, you'll find how often you need to use that product. In most cases, I would recommend that you would use it daily thereafter. I hope the information helped. If you need further assistance, please do not hesitate to send me an email. Thank you for listening.